It's my class 2 about advanced structural analysis, flexibility matrix method, indeterminate structure. It is most computer friendly, and this is my class 12 from beginning. We now analyze a probed cantilever. Is loaded with a 3-ton load as seen in the picture. We want to remove the redundant. Redundant is the reaction. By indeterminate structure, as you know, 3 statistical equilibrium equations is necessary for statically determinate structure. For an indeterminate structure, unknowns will be more than 3. Here we see that at fixed ends there is a moment and 2 reactions, and the additional reaction are at the proper. Here this additional reaction R can be removed. Then the structure is primary. Then the structure is primary structure and stable. It is a cantilever. Then remove the prop and apply unit load at the position of 3-ton load, taking moments. We get a CV column matrix. After that, remove load and apply unit reaction at the free end, taking moments. We get the CR matrix, together CVCR matrix. Probed cantilever. As you know, in the earlier class we studied the flexibility matrix. F is equal to L by 6CI and matrix 4 by 4 matrix. We can find FRV. FRV is equal to CR transpose FCV. Compute FRR. For an indeterminate structure, equation of statistical equilibrium is needed, forced displacement relationship is needed, and compatibility condition is needed. Compatibility condition is that the displacement matrix is 0. That is, after loading, the joints will not break away. Elements flexibility matrix. Find the redundance, remove it. The resulting primary structure is stable and statically determinate. Then M is equal to CVCR PR, where CV and CR displacement matrix for unit load. Equations. FVR is equal to CV transpose FCR. FRV is equal to FRV, FVV, FVR, FRR. We can find FRV is CR transpose FCV. FVV means CV transpose FCV. FVR means CV transpose CR. FRR means CV CR transpose FCR. Transpose of a matrix you know, then you can analyze the problem easily. About sign convention and indeterminacy determination, we can study in a separate class. Now, if you know, here R is equal to F, RR inverse FRVV. FRR, here FRR raised to 1 is written, but it is inverse, F inverse. F1 is equal to FVV minus FVR, FRR inverse FRV. T transpose of the matrix. C1 is equal to Cv minus Cr FRR inverse FRB. F1 flexibility matrix of the indeterminate structure. C1 force transformation matrix of the indeterminate structure. Thank you.